Good morning, all of you. So, in the last class, we were discussing some problems on proportion, and today also we will be discussing some problems. And we know that if four numbers A, B, C, and D are in proportion, if A is to B is equal to C is to D, where D is called the fourth proportional. And based on this, we are going to do one problem. Consider the question. Find the fourth proportional to 1 by 3, 1 by 5 and 1 by 7. Here we need to find out the fourth proportional. And we know that four numbers A, B, C, D are in proportion if A is to B is equal to C is to D. And we also know that in a proportion, product of extreme is equal to product of means. So here we need to find out the fourth proportional. We don't know the fourth proportional, so we can take it as x. Let x be the fourth proportional. Then the numbers 1 by 3, 1 by 5, 1 by 7 and x are in proportion. And we know that in a proportion, product of extremes is equal to product of means. Here which are the extremes? 1 by 3 and x. So 1 by 3 into x will be equal to the product of means. Here which are the means? 1 by 5 and 1 by 7. So 1 by 5 into 1 by 7. So here we need to find out the value of x, because the fourth proportional we are taking it as x. Now we can solve this equation. 1 by 3 into x is equal to, what is 1 by 5 into 1 by 7? It is 1 by 35. Now I'm going to take this 1 by 3 to the right hand side. So here on the left hand side we are left with x. So x is equal to 1 by 35 divided by 1 by 3. Here 1 by 3 is multiplied with x. So when I take to the right hand side, it will become divided by 1 by 3. And this will be equal to 1 by 35 into 3 divided by 1. And this is equal to 3 divided by 35. So our fourth proportional is 3 by 35. So we can say that four quantities are in proportion if A is to B is equal to B is to C. Then what if we have only three quantities? How can we say that three quantities are in proportion? Let's see. Three quantities A, B and C which are of the same kind are said to be in a proportion if A is to B is equal to B is to C. That is, A by B is equal to B by C. If I cross multiply this, I will get A into C is equal to B into B. And what is B into B? B into B is B square. And if I am just flipping this equation, I will get B square is equal to AC. And from this I can write the value of B as square root of AC. So in a proportion, A is to B proportional to B is to C. B is called the mean proportional, A is called the first proportional and C is called the second proportional. And we can also call this proportion as continued proportion. So if three numbers A, B and C are in continued proportion, where A is called the first proportional, C is called the second proportional and B is called the mean, we can find out the mean using the formula B is equal to square root of AC. That means the square root of the product of the first proportional and the second proportional. Consider the question. Find the mean proportional between 81 and 100. We know that mean proportional between two numbers A and C is root of A into C. So here we need to find out the mean proportional between 81 and 100. And the mean proportional between 81 and 100 is square root of 81 into 100. And 81 into 100 is 8100. And square root of this number is 90, because 90 into 90 is 8100. So the mean proportional between 81 and 100 is 90. Let us do one more problem. Find the third proportional to 6 and 9. So here we have given two numbers and we need to find out one more number, and that is proportional to the number 6 and 9. Let us take that number as x. Then the numbers 6, 9 and x will be in proportion. And we know that if three numbers are in proportion, we can call it as a continued proportion. So if three numbers are in proportion, we can write it as 6:9 is equal to 9:x. So from this I can write 6/9 is equal to 9/6. So we need to find out the value of x. So for that I am taking x to the left hand side and 6/9 to the right hand side. So I will get x is equal to 9 divided by 6/9, and this is equal to 9 divided by 1 into 9/6, and this is equal to 81 divided by 6. So this is the third proportional to 6 and 9.